Today we are going to take Snack and Sarah going to Pirate Ship Park.
Pirate Ship Park? What kind of pirate ship park?
Well, there's a lot of slides.
And swings?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, are you going to put her in your cool car?
Yeah, let me go to the other side and put her in the car.
You better buckle her up good.
Okay. Don't worry, Sarah. We're going to go to the park. Okay, Sarah. Don't touch these tweezers. I brought tweezers in case she gets a saying inside the car.
Boo-boo?
Yeah, boo-boo.
She should have shoes on.
Whoa!
Whoa!
I'm here.
You're at the park. Whoa, this park looks cool. This is a ginormous pirate ship. What are you going to show me first?
The flap goes up and down, up and down, up and down. And
What's this thing?
oh,
Look at this. Ahoy, matey.
Someone left their stroller here.
I see.
I think I should put Snack and Sarah inside of it.
Show me all the cool things on this pirate ship. What do you have up here?
I have stuff. I have a ladder.
A ladder?
And a steering wheel.
A steering wheel?
And a phone.
Is that how you call Captain Hook?
Yeah. And this thing right here to see spy treasure.
Yeah.
And this little window for my course, my little big.
Don't drop Snack and Sarah. What's this thing?
This is for luck. In case you can see any bugs flying on here.
It's a telescope?
Uh-huh.
What's this? That looks like a cool slide.
Yeah, so
Why do you have a rope in your slide?
Yeah, because that's the way that I can climb up it.
That's the way you climb back up?
Mm-hmm.
Where does this go down here?
Oh, that goes to the bottom half. Have those feet. Oh, and I see someone else here.
You do?
Let's go down and see who it is.
You didn't even go down your slide.
I know, but I'm going to go check who that is. What the? It ran away.
It ran away. Who was it? Did you find who it was?
Yeah, it was Mommy.
What? What's in here? This looks so cool.
This is a fire thing.
A fire pole?
In the up there, that thing comes open, and my daddy opens it up, and I go down there, all the way down here, and it's so fun.
But you're not big enough to do that yet, are you?
No.
Alright, you want to show Snack and Sarah how to swing?
Yeah!
And the baby swing? She's still a baby, so she has to use the baby swing.
Okay. Now show her how to swing on the ball like this.
Woohoo! Are you shaking your tail feathers?
Yeah. Ah! So hot.
You should push Snack and Sarah. I'll push Snack and Sarah. She wants to go swing. Woohoo!
She doesn't want to swing yet.
You want to go up and send her down the slide?
I
And I'll
have to
catch
do,
her.
I have to do something. I got to sit down and I go wait for that bug to get out. Oh, there we go. Got there. Climb up here.
It's hard, isn't it?
Yeah, really hard. Because this thing is really slippery. Ugh, it's really hard.
You can go down the slide, though. Show me how you go down the slide. You forgot Snack and Sarah. You gonna take Snack and Sarah down the slide?
Yeah, but not the fire one.
Okay.
That's when we do.
I'll wait on you at the bottom, okay?
Okay.
Are you gonna go down this big slide or this slide?
That
Big one?
Mm-hmm.
Whoa, that's a big slide. That's a humongous slide.
Yeah, it's really fat. First I'm gonna go first, the biggest one.
You're gonna go first?
Yeah, because Because this is a big kid slide.
Who's gonna push Snack and Sarah if you go first?
I'll come back up with this cool rope I have.
All right, are you coming down?
Yeah, I'm gonna leave Snack and Sarah up here for a minute.
I'm waiting.
Whoa! That's that.
Are you gonna go back and get Snack and Sarah now? I thought she was going with you. Uh-oh, you gotta take your shoes off
Yeah.
so you can climb.
Okay, Snack and Sarah, it's your turn. I'm gonna push you, baby. I'm gonna push you, baby. And then Mommy's gonna go. Okay?
Is she coming down?
All by herself.
Okay, I'm waiting.
Yay!
Snack and Sarah.
It's my turn now.
Okay, I'm waiting.
Again. I can climb really fast.
I know you can. You're the fastest climber ever.
Watch this.
Are you all the way back up already?
Yeah.
Are you going down again?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, go.
Wow. Again, you're gonna put Snack and Sarah in the stroller?
Yeah.
Where are you going with her now? Uh-oh.
Yeah.
Womp womp.
I'm gonna put her in there. Put her in there. I'm gonna put her inside of the stroller.
Make sure she's buckled up good.
There we go. Now
Get your
I'm
shoes on. You have to wear your shoes to walk around.
Yeah, because it could be dangerous, and people could step on glass.
Yeah.
They really could.
All right, now where are you going?
Going to the teeter-totter.
The teeter-totter? You have a teeter-totter?
Yeah, over here.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
Snack and Sarah fell down.
Strawberry almost fell too. Here we go. She tumbled up really good. Ooh, look at there.
What?
She fell down.
I think our stroller's tore up now. We can fix it though, can't we? All right, you gonna get on this cool teeter-totter?
Yeah.
Are you gonna hold Snack and Sarah, or is she gonna go the opposite way? Whoa. Want me to push you?
Mhm.
What? Say woohoo!
I don't want to do it anymore. I'm gonna go down. Oh.
Whoa, don't fall down.
So hold on to her good.
Snack and Sarah don't want to go anymore, or is she done, or what?
She's done right now.
Okay, I'll stop you then. You want to get in the swing and swing with Snack and Sarah?
No, she wants to go on fight.
Again?
Yeah, again. Let me go up the steps. Over here. Actually, over here.
You gonna go back down here?
This is the darkest place. And up here is all my kitties up here.
Are you gonna go down this cool slide?
No, that one.
Why don't you go down this one? This one's cool too.
Okay, I'll do her. Mommy, you catch her so she doesn't in the fireplace. Catch her. Hurry.
Woohoo! Snack and Sarah. She's fast. Can you go that fast?
Yeah.
Whoa, that's the fastest ever.
I gotta take off my shoes to climb up the slide again.
How does Snack and Sarah climb up the slide?
Well, I'm a real hummy, so...
You're a
so,
human?
Yeah,
A real one? Are you kidding me?
I really
I
am.
thought you were a Keebler elf. Don't you live in a house and make cookies?
Yeah.
You do?
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
And
wow.
brownies.
Ron, do you ever go up in that thing up there, that big tower? That looks like Rapunzel's tower.
I know, but I did a minute ago.
You did? I didn't see you do that. Alright, let's get Snack and Sarah and take her to the swings. Woo! You're like a superhero. Can you stick your arms out like Superman or... Whoa. I bet you can't catch Snacking Sarah. Are you in a race? Whoa, you almost got her. Alright, you want to show all of our friends at home how you like to twist and spin around?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, here, this is fun.
How fast do you want to go? Really fast?
No,
Or a little bit fast?
a big fast.
Big fast?
Yeah.
Alright, are you ready?
Yeah.
I'm gonna let you go. Are you dizzy?
Hey guys, thanks for watching and make sure to get a thumbs up. Thanks
bye.
for watching.
Say bye, everybody.
Have a great day.
A great day. Yeah.